Hello everyone, I am from Netsol Water Solutions and today we're going to talk about the methods to keep your RO plants running at optimal performance. क्या आप जानते हैं कि बहुत सारे तरीके ऐसे हैं जिनसे आप अपने RO plants का performance excel कर सकते हैं या बढ़ा सकते हैं. The first method is the use of granular activated carbon or GAC. It removes free chlorine and organic debris in an automatic backwashing machine. Second is to install 5 micron absolute rated depth filters to reduce particle and fouling index. Third is to make sure your feed pumps and piping are properly sized. Fourth is to install a CIP or clean and process and disinfection rig for the RO membranes periodic maintenance. Fifth is to use TFC or thin film composite membranes which will deliver high flow while consuming less energy. And sixth is a consistent supply of softened feed water which will aid in the prevention of RO membrane scaling. Apart from all these methods, we have to keep in mind that our commercial RO plants will only function correctly if these three elements are considered, which include proper installation by a professional, extensive water pre-treatment to eliminate inorganic and chemical pollutants, and plant maintenance on a regular basis, including membrane cleaning and replacement as per requirement. We all know, and it goes without saying, that errors arise when these three criteria are overlooked or disregarded. These problems can arise in your commercial RO plants where the plant is poorly designed or incorrectly installed, or when the input water is insufficiently treated to remove chlorine, calcium, and magnesium, or when the membranes are not regularly cleaned or replaced, or when the plant pumps are not adequately maintained. So before it is too late, get your commercial RO plants with superior quality from Netsol Water Solutions, which are customized strict circumstances to meet the needs of the customer without sacrificing quality. We ensure to provide different techniques for safe and pure water for our people in India and outside India. If you want to know more about our commercial RO plants, feel free to contact us. Also, like, share and subscribe our channel for latest updates. Thank you so much.